Opening shot of the sleek new car driving through a scenic mountain road, cinematic music playing. Voiceover begins. Welcome back to 2025 BMW, your go-to channel for everything cars, from the latest models to in-depth reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at a true game-changer in the automotive world, the all-new model. Designed for performance, packed with innovation, and oozing style, this car is setting new standards in its class. Right out of the gate, the model impresses with its striking exterior. Clean lines, aggressive stance, and a front grille that demands attention. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. LED headlamps flow seamlessly into the body, while the aerodynamically sculpted side profile enhances both looks and performance. Whether it's parked or in motion, the model turns heads everywhere it goes. Under the hood, the model doesn't disappoint. Powered by a insert engine spec if known, for example, 3.0 liters twin-turbo V6, it delivers thrilling acceleration and smooth handling. From city streets to winding highways, this car adopts effortlessly, giving drivers full control and confidence behind the wheel. And for those who crave more, the Performance Trim or Sport mode, if available, unleashes the full potential of this beast. Inside, it's all about comfort meets technology. Premium materials wrap around the cabin, and the minimalist design is complemented by cutting-edge tech. A large touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center, integrated with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus voice-activated controls that respond instantly. Digital instrument clusters and customizable displays mean you're always connected and informed, without distraction. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The model comes standard with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. With top safety ratings across the board, it's built to protect both driver and passengers at every turn. What makes the model truly special, though, is how it blends power, luxury, and practicality. It's not just a car you drive, it's one you experience. Whether you're commuting daily or heading out on weekend adventures, the model adapts to your lifestyle. Thanks for watching 2025 BMW. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and updates on the hottest cars of the year. Drop your thoughts about the model in the comments below. Is it your next dream car? We'll see you in the next one. Stay driven.